All right, guys, my brother and me are here at the Copart lot, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We actually don't have anything to look at today. As you guys know, I've spent all my money. I looked for some cars that might be interesting to get the keys for, and honestly, I just didn't find anything this week. Maybe next week, but well, actually, I may not even be here next week. Or maybe I will. I don't know. Going on vacation. I can't remember what next Monday is. Tuesday for you guys. But yeah, let's get started. You know, today is almost just too perfect of a day with no particular cars to look at. It makes things a lot more calm. I don't feel nearly as anxious. It's actually a halfway cool day. We had a massive thunderstorm came through. It's actually a really great day for this. Oh, and my brother and I have court today. This is an interesting story. I'll keep it short. We were at Starbucks, looked across the street, saw this lady with a little chihuahua in her backpack. The dog jumped out of her backpack, right? Fell on the concrete, didn't get up. The lady snatches the dog up by its neck, and she's driving this big old Escalade with tinted windows, right? And she takes this dog by the nape of its neck, and she had the windows cracked, just throws it violently with like a 10 or 11-year-old little girl standing next to her. I think it's her daughter, sister, I don't know. Threw the dog violently through the through the side window. It was crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. I called the police and animal control. So my brother and I have to go to court today and testify to what we witnessed, so that this lady doesn't get her dog back. And I'm like, if she does this to her dog, I wonder what she does to her kids. And she left the dog in the hot car, threw it in there, didn't check to see if it was actually hurt or anything, and just left it. Horrible. Hate people like that. Hate people. Hope she gets charged with animal abuse. Feel like I'm 5 playing in a fucking water puddle.
It feels good, doesn't it?
Let's start off this auction with some really cool cars. How about a Challenger? I don't know if you guys can tell, I got a thing for muscle cars. Of course, I don't think this is a muscle car. Judging by the giant, heavy ass rims. I mean, come on, even if it was a Hemi, you know how much weight you're adding? How much you're losing in horsepower and torque, putting some ginormous, heavy ass rims and tires on these things? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Smells funky too. I got one for you. What is this? A Ford? Damn, that thing got smashed. It's just a Focus, and it's just an SE. But damn, look at that. I don't know what this used to be, but it looks cool as hell. Damn, or what? We're not even doing Carnage. I'm just trying to find some cool cars, you know? Ah, this thing just got thrashed. Daily driven. Not no more, you not. This thing went off-roading. It's a California car. Here's a nice little Beamer my brother found. Sucker's actually pretty clean. USAA. Little Beamer. A 1 Series. A little bitty one. Pretty cool looking though. See, the bumper's been removed, taillight's been removed, so obviously we've got some rear end damage back here that they felt was worth totaling it. And you can see it right here. It took a hit on the back right. There's water dripping out from the inside. Obviously it's opened up. That's an easy fix. That's nothing. That is nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and 109,000 miles. Of course, they throw the bumpers in these things. Like, the bumper's trashed, right? Look, we're not going to use that bumper. Throw it away. Don't tear up the car. Jeez. Let's see what we got going on under the hood. I think this is one I might want to keep my eye on. Make sure I got this lot number. No aftermarket parts under here. Nothing fancy, nothing special, just a Beamer. Ooh, spiderweb. Hey there, little guy. Yeah, I'm not gonna walk through there, but how about that sucker? This thing looks like it fell hard on its face. I just stepped in mud again. Dang it. Look at that. Full of water. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I need to watch where I'm going. Man, this side took it bad. I'm not stepping in this. We're gonna run and jump. And jump. Here's a decent one. Not too bad, just a little crunch in the bumper here. 5.0 Coyote. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that one's no good. What about this one? Is this a Coyote? No, it's not. Just a little convertible. Wow. Is this a Chevy Uplander? I think. Used to be a Chevy Uplander. Windshield came right out of it. Look at that. Oh, they cut. Oh, don't tell me there's a baby seat in it. Oh man, there is a little booster seat. Well, there's no bio signs, so that's a positive. Oh my God. Call Scotty Kilmer. Rev up your engines. We've got a Toyota. I know it's not a Celica, but I'll bet it's got 340,000 miles and it's still on its original engine and transmission, and those glass headlights. Just can't ever go wrong with the Toyota. Hey, I'm just joking around. I love Scotty Kilmer's channel. He's hilarious, but he hates Mercedes. He hates Mercedes. Look at this, coming out of Copart, and what do we got? A Corvette sitting right next to my Benz, just like we're at home. All right, so that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, here's what I'm going to do in the future past this video. I am leaving, as I said earlier, next week. So I will not be here to do Copart walk around. So what I did today is I recorded a ton of footage from cars that I thought were interesting, at least to me, and hopefully to you as well. So I will use some of these Copart videos because they seem to be your favorite. Of all my videos, the Copart ones typically do the best. So in the future, I'm going to break this massive video that I did today of vehicles up into different segments, and I will release them periodically as I'm gone so that you guys have at least some Copart walk around footage to watch while I'm gone. And if I can get a few more things done on the Mercedes before I go, I'll try to get some of those videos. So the goal is, although I won't be uploading car videos every day, hopefully every other day or so, you guys will have content to watch while I'm on vacation, so I can be out enjoying myself, doing my thing, and you guys can still be enjoying the content. So I'm actually taking on a lot of extra work here to make extra videos so that you guys have stuff to watch. I don't want you to get bored, and I definitely don't want you to disappear and find someone else to watch. I mean, you got to stay loyal to me, right? I'm the man. I am the man. Nobody else. No, I'm kidding. But I do want to make sure you've got plenty of content to watch while I'm gone. So I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for those future uploads. I don't have dates yet. You know, they'll upload when they upload, but I appreciate you guys taking time to watch. If you enjoyed, you know, this content, since I've been out here for like 2 hours and it is no longer nice, it's really humid and hot and I'm sweating. Please Give the video a big thumbs up. My brother's holding the camera. Say hey to him in the comments below. Check out the merchandise store. Anything you buy goes to help support the channel. I certainly appreciate it. And right now we could use the money. Ha ha ha. So get you a really cool shirt. Oh, you can't see it because I'm wearing this. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Take it easy. I'll catch you soon in the next one.